What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Justin back with another video today. Thank y'all for tuning in this special video today. Today I'm have 10 outfits for y'all for the Jordan 1 Low Canary colorway, the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Canary colorway. So if y'all want more the deep detail of this shoe, the overview and everything like that, check out my last video. I went more deep in an on-foot review of the shoe in my last video. This video is more of the outfits, 10 outfits I got for y'all, because I know this is a hard shoe to style. So I brought out my bag to, you know, style these for y'all, 10 outfits. Y'all let me know in the description below. If you're new to the channel, thank y'all. Welcome to the channel. I go over a lot of sneaker reviews, styling sneakers, all the streetwear, all that good stuff on this channel. So you want to go ahead and subscribe to this channel, follow my Instagram and my TikTok. But I can go over a brief review of these shoes. These, you know, these are Jordan 1 Low, Travis Scott Canary colorway. They represent, the color is representing his high school he went to. We have, you know, the Warrior Blue Nike check, the white leather behind it, the yellow, as y'all can see, gum bottom, Travis Scott detail, just like all on the Jordan 1 Lows. On the, you see the Cactus Jack and everything, logo and everything. Definitely a dope shoe. So like I said, y'all see the box and everything. We're gonna jump straight into the outfits. Y'all let me know. I got links and everything in the description right there to the, you know, the shoes, to the outfits and everything like this. So hope y'all enjoy. Y'all let me know what's y'all favorite outfit, what y'all wearing with the Jordan 1 Lows. Y'all just let me know, and peace. Y'all next video. I'm out.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros with immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water.